right? Change these values in between. There are two ways to do this. We can change the radius between, or we can 0 to 500, or we can just scale this. So let's work with the radius. So we already know our radius, the height, the ceiling of our radius is going to be 500, right? If it's more than 500, they are going to intersect. To avoid that, we have to set our target domain in this one between something like, let's say, construct domain. We can say between 0 and 500, which is this value here. And if I connect this over here, just to maybe, like, we can take these out from this group and take them, remove from the group, and we can just